gets very, very important for everybody. And let me give the organizer a very big congratulations. You see, when we have a subject that people are not really aware of and about the deep sea, we don't know everything. Presently, the terrestrial world is not even fully known. 3 or 4 years ago, a professor in Nigeria discovered a new species of butterfly in Calabar, where we have been for thousands of years, and we are still discovering new species, talk less of the ocean floor that we have not been to.
Will be down 4,000 meters and be tethered to the surface operation vessel. Mining of nodules will produce 2 different types of plumes. One is upsetting plume created by the vehicle removing the top 10 to 15 centimeters of the seabed. We call that a collect plume. It will drive around and pick up the nodules. And they'll be pumped back on the rising pipe to the surface vessel. And the second type of plume is a discharge plume, which is unwanted sediment that is brought up to the surface vessel. It is unwanted, unneeded, and so would be returned to the ocean. The question is whether that's returned as a plume in the mid-water column or back down in the deep ocean.
Seabed mining generally by most of the companies now. You can see that it goes into the ocean floor, scoop around, and gets extracted. While scooping, it creates a lot of pools. That increases the particulate matter. And when it gets extracted, after removing the materials needed, what happens? The ones that are not needed goes backward, discharge into the ocean again. So that's illustration alone. It's clear for us to see how seabed mining will take place. So the presentation will talk about generally about the ocean and the rush for resources, and we have a little background about deep sea mining, the state of it. Has it started, or are we just saying this thing is going to start? What is the future? What is the impact? What will be the global effect? Why are we here? Why are you calling for actions? What is the collaboration that we can do on it? What can each and every one of us do? What's covered by water? And basically it's covered by the ocean. The ocean contains 97% of all water on Earth. And a lot of people often ask, what is the difference between ocean and the sea? The sea, not ocean. Is ocean not? It's not sea. They are like twin brother, but they are not what the same. You know, that's why you are twin. There will be a future that you have, and your twin brother will not have. So basically, we have 5 major oceans that every one of us are familiar with. But the sea is is a body of water that is smaller than that of what? The ocean. So we have the Mediterranean Sea, the Caribbean Sea, and the South China Sea. So in some country, you get into the sea before you what? Get into the what? Into the ocean. Some countries, they are directly linked to what? To the ocean.